Assalamu alaikum 8th class. Today is Thursday 14th January 2021. Our topic is theorem number 12.2, means second theorem of chapter number 12. Its statement is any point equidistant from the endpoints of a line segment is on the right bisector of it. This is the converse of theorem number 1. Its mean it is opposite to the theorem number 1. The statement is any point equidistant from the endpoints of a line. This is a line segment. AB is the line segment and A, B are its endpoints. And they said that any point which is equidistant, this is any point P. This is equidistant from A and P. They said P is equidistant from A and B. So we will prove that this point is on the line which is bisector of this line segment AB. Like this, P is the point. It is equidistant from A and B, and we will prove that P is the point of any line which is the bisector of this line segment AB. So, given of this theorem is AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment and point P is such that P to A and P to B distance is congruent or equal. To prove, we will prove that the point P is on the right bisector of AB. It means point P is on the right bisector of line AB. Now we will write the step of construction. Join P to C, the midpoint of AB. Now we will join P to C like this. With the help of scale, we will join by constructing a line P to C, and then we'll draw a line from P to A like this and P to B. P to B. So a triangle, two triangles will be formed, PAC and PCB. And because this is a line constructed, so we will draw it dotted, and these two lines are of sides of triangle PAB, and by this line we get two triangles. And the line we construct, and we will write all the steps which we construct in the diagram. So we will write join P to C, which is the midpoint of line segment AB, and the step of construction will be written in this form. Join P to C, the midpoint of AB.